Embedded x86 processing is at the heart of industrial PCs, networking and storage, healthcare imaging, retail kiosks, and so much more. You might not always see them, but these systems are everywhere. But what does it really take to design technologies for such demanding conditions? Whether on a factory floor that never sleeps, a networking switch moving terabits of data each second, or medical imaging systems that needs both speed and accuracy. Embedded applications are diverse, and the one thing our embedded customers need is devices that have been tested and built to meet stringent requirements. These are environments that demand more, always-on uptime, constrained enclosures with managed heat and limited airflow, and deployment cycles that last for 10 years. That's where AMD x86 embedded processors come in. Built on proven AMD data center and client technologies, these processors deliver top performance, plus longevity and reliability, with embedded specific features like RAS, advanced connectivity, and security features specifically designed for embedded applications. AMD is committed to open source firmware, validated tools and drivers, and long-term OS support.